Are you a healthcare worker? Are you burnt out? Let's do a little self-check and see if you have the symptoms of burnout. Are you feeling detached, anxious, lacking creativity, fatigued no matter how much sleep you get? Are you having difficulty concentrating at work and outside of work? You might be burnt out. Physical symptoms include your regular aches, pains, low immunity, sleep deprivation. Remember, sleep deprivation then leads to like heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, stroke, things like that. Mental side effects, anxiety, depression, and long-term of all these things combined can actually thin the lining and the gray matter of your prefrontal cortex, which can lead to memory loss and sensory issues like loss of hearing and loss of sight. Okay, so now what? What do we do? Here's a couple of things that I do to try to avoid burnout in my own life. Taking breaks per my work policy, making sleep a priority, trying to balance out the blue light of the screens at work with sunlight, trying to keep active and finding healthy coping mechanisms. Also, what I do before my shift and after my shift make a huge difference. I meditate before my shift, I meditate after my shift, I journal after my shift, and sometimes I just call someone and vent. And then sometimes I go to an actual real therapist to vent and to talk through my feelings and the things that I've seen on shift. Be your own nurse and take care of yourself so that you can take care of others. Only you can prioritize your health. I love you. Have a good shift.